Are you trying to learn more about AI and unleash its capability to create content, build a profitable online business, or scale an existing one? If so, then you are in the right place. I'm Jack Mateo, your AI blogger with over 15 years of combined experience in multiple areas, including marketing, copywriting, sales, and content creation. My channel, Jack Mateo AI, is your premier source for artificial intelligence, including the latest AI news, to keep you informed on the cutting edge developments that could impact your business. My reviews and tutorials will help you streamline operations, while AI tools will show you how to enhance content creation and efficiency. Jack Mateo AI is a perfect fit for content creators, entrepreneurs, and business owners in any field or industry. Every week, I'll post fresh content about AI so you can keep up with the trends. My goal is to help you scale your projects and ideas, optimize your business practices, and unleash the creative and operational power of AI. I strongly believe that AI has the potential to transform our future by amplifying human capabilities and fostering innovation. To get the latest updates, subscribe to Jack Mateo AI today and tap into the power of this amazing technological advancement. Join our community of Jacks and start transforming your ideas into reality with AI. See you soon.